Imagine a world where wars rage, cities burn, emperors rise and fall. Yet, in the middle of it all, there's a man, sitting quietly, thinking. He's not broken by the chaos. He is centered. That man is a Stoic. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless. It's about mastering emotions instead of being mastered by them. You don't control the world. You control your response to it. The Stoics trained their minds to remain calm, not by avoiding pain, but by confronting it, face to face. There's a story of a young Roman soldier. His ship crashed in a storm. Everyone around him screamed, panicked, cried out to the gods. But he sat silently, drenched in rain. When asked why, he replied, "What use is panic? The waves do not hear it." He survived, not because he was lucky, but because he was prepared. He had practiced the storm in his mind long before it came. The Stoics believed hardship is not to be avoided, but used. Fire tests gold, struggle shapes character. They would wake up each morning and say, "Something difficult will happen today, and I will face it." To them, suffering wasn't a curse, it was training. Today we live in noise, notifications, opinions, outrage. But a Stoic knows stillness is a weapon. They trained silence like a muscle. In that silence, they saw clearly. While others react, they reflect. They don't chase validation, they seek virtue. So, in a world that spins too fast, what if you slowed down? What if you trained your mind like a Stoic? The world may remain chaotic, but inside you, peace.